Scrap wood furniture and decor pieces add beauty to your home due to their natural, timeless appeal and warmth, versatility. They provide a sense of sophistication and elegance while creating cozy and inviting atmosphere. Wood's unique texture, grains, and color enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. Additionally, the durability and the longevity of wooden furniture make it worthwhile investment as it can be passed down through generations. Welcome back again. Good morning and thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. This video helps you to reduce your waste and we are going to tell you how to reduce your carbon footprint and how impactful it's for the environmental effect. So let's get started. The scrap wood furniture and decor pieces are cherished on their ability to add beauty and character to your home. The organic nature of wood bring a sense of warmth and the tranquility to any space, creating an inviting atmosphere that is both visually appealing and comfortable. One of the key reasons why wood pieces are highly valued in their timeless appeal. Wood has been used in furniture and decor for centuries and its popularity has endured through different design trends, whether your home boasts a contemporary or the traditional style. Wood effortlessly complement various aesthetics, making it versatile choice. The natural textures, grains, and colors of wood contribute to its visual charm. Each piece of wood furniture has unique pattern, providing a touch of individuality to your home. From the smoothness of maple to the rich tone of mahogany or the rustic beauty of reclaimed wood, there is a wide range of options to suit your personal taste and style preferences. Furthermore, wood furniture is known for its durability and the longevity. Properly crafted and cared for, wooden pieces can last for generations, making them a worthwhile investment. The strength of wood ensures that your furniture will withstand everyday use and continue to look stunning over time. First of all, I would like to say good morning to all of you. In this video, we are going to give you some tips and we are going to show you some design that you can make in your workshop or at home, and then you can sell it online on the e-commerce store and earn a handsome amount of money by investing your precious time in this wooden art technique. Wooden art and the project have been popular from centuries and they continue to be valuable source of income for people looking to earn money online. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to sell your creations and in the interest and earn some extra cash for your kitchen. In this article, we will explore some of the best wooden art and the project ideas that you can sell online, as well as some tips for marketing your creation and building successful online business. First of all, we will go through what you can make with wooden art You can make a cutting board, wooden sign, picture frame, jewelry boxes, wooden toys, and furniture. Cutting boards are a practical and attractive addition to any kitchen. They can be made from a variety of different types of wood and can be personalized with engraving and the other decorative touches. Cutting boards are relatively easy to make and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden signs are popular decoration for home and the business, and they can be customized with different sign and the sayings. They can be made from a variety of different type of wood and they can be sold at a range of different prices point depend upon their sizes and the complexities in a style. Wood picture frame is another beautiful product that you can sell online. Wooden picture frame are a timeless classic that never goes out of style. They can be made in a variety of different sizes and the styles, and they can be personalized with different type of wood and the finishes. Picture frames are relatively easy to make and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden jewelry boxes are a beautiful and functional gift that can be customized with different type of wood and the finishes. They can be made in a variety of different sizes and the styles, and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden toys are a classic that never goes out of style. They can be made in a variety of different style and the sizes. They can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden toys are a great option for parents looking for a natural and the rustic and eco-friendly toys for their kids and the children's. Wooden furniture is a bigger and more complex project, but it can be a great way to earn a higher profit income. Furniture can be made in a variety of different styles and the finishes, and it can be customized to fit different space and the preferences. Creating a website is a great and showcase your woodwork and sell your creation online. You can use website builder like Wix and the other professional looking website, and you can hire web developer or create a custom site for you.